Today I'm going to do a simple video showing you how to use the Bird 5000 machine with using just one simple profile. Basically what I've done is I've put a thermocouple, which you can see on the chip there, which goes to the external K-type thermocouple, which is reading 26.7, which is the board temperature. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press the run button, which will pause the top heater from turning on at all, but the bottom heater is independent and will carry on climbing. Then what we can do is we can look at the temperature of the board and calibrate the bottom heater so that the heat for the board reaches around 150 degrees, which is slowly climbing now. As you can see, the temperature on that one is showing 34 degrees because it's been paused, so the top heater now is doing nothing whatsoever, but the bottom heater is slowly climbing to reach its temperature. You can just see the flux now starting to bubble. The temperature's reaching 86 degrees. The chip on this board is actually a lead solder. It's a scrap board, but I know the chip's good, so basically what I want to do is just lift the chip from the board. So now I'm going to press the run button and let that climb and lower the top heater into place. At the moment the top heater still won't be on because the TC on the top heater is reading 103 degrees and it's only trying to make it 63 and it's still climbing. Eventually that will meet the PV, then the top heater will turn itself on. Now I can see here I've reached 150 degrees, so I'm going to lower this down to 10, down a little bit more. Probably will overshoot the 150 mark, but this is just an exercise to show you how to calibrate the bottom heater, so next time we know not to go quite as high as 200, maybe just go to 190. So the top heat the bottom heat seems to stabilise around about 168. So I could probably say that if I set my bottom heater at 190, maybe it might reach 160, 165. It's just about trial and error until you find the right calibration for your machine. Now what I'm going to do now is, this has gone up to 133, so I'm just going to give it a little pause again so it doesn't rise too fast. And as you can see there, the temperature we're getting 184 degrees. So at some point now the chip should become liquid, and then I should be able to lift the chip. Yep, so what I'll do now is I press the stop button. We've got 195 degrees there. And there's the chip. Off it comes. Cooling on.